Welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering PSD to HTML conversion. This process transforms Photoshop documents into HTML files, a common practice among web designers and programmers. By converting PSD files to HTML, you can turn any stylized mockup into a fully functioning website. Let's dive into the details of this essential web design technique. PSD to HTML conversion involves transforming Photoshop documents into HTML files. This method starts with creating a mockup of your website in Photoshop, saving it as a PSD file. Individual elements are then extracted and integrated into an HTML structure. This process allows designers to create visually appealing and functional websites from their mockups. Despite the availability of various frameworks for building websites, PSD to HTML remains a valuable approach. Photoshop helps designers create pixel-perfect, high-quality graphics that meet modern web design requirements. It allows for flexibility during the design phase, enabling clients to switch between options quickly. Converting PSD to HTML ensures high-quality code and simplified maintenance. PSD to HTML conversion is crucial for creating unique, standout websites. This process ensures quality code that complies with standards and results in pixel-perfect designs. It produces responsive, fast-loading, and SEO-friendly websites. Businesses use this method to create stunning websites that meet their specific needs and stand out in the digital landscape. Before starting the conversion, gather the necessary front-end tools like Notepad++, Bootstrap, Adobe Photoshop, Avocode, PNG Hat, and CSS 3Ps. Ensure your HTML template is SEO-friendly and responsive, compatible with various devices, browsers, and search engines. W3C validation of the code is also essential for maintaining standards and quality. Front-end frameworks simplify development by providing pre-written code for common tasks. Popular frameworks include Google Frontend, Laravel, and Ruby on Rails. These frameworks focus on CSS, HTML, and JavaScript development. While they reduce the amount of code you need to write, they require familiarity with their syntax and functionality to be effective. Choosing the right layout is crucial for your design. There are 4 main types: responsive, mobile-only, fixed, and fluid. Responsive design adjusts to different screen sizes, while mobile-only layouts are optimized for smartphones and tablets. Fixed layouts maintain their dimensions, and fluid designs adapt to various screen sizes by shifting elements within their containers. Understanding the structure of web pages is essential before conversion. Key components include the logo, header, body, and footer. The header typically contains the logo, navigation menu, and other elements like sliders or animations. The body includes textual content and user modules, while the footer often contains additional navigation links and contact information. While PSD to HTML has its benefits, it also has drawbacks. The process can be time-consuming and may not be ideal for creating responsive designs. Photoshop cannot simulate multiple pages simultaneously, making the transition from design to code more labor-intensive. Additionally, front-end developers with HTML and CSS expertise may find Photoshop unnecessary for web development. You can convert PSD files to HTML either by hand-coding or using third-party services. Hand-coding requires extensive knowledge of HTML tags and best practices. Alternatively, websites like One Step Web Designer, SiteSlinger, and Yotako offer tutorials and tools for conversion. These resources provide step-by-step instructions to help you master the PSD to HTML conversion process efficiently.